you're welcome to Crystal Creations online training, and today we'll be learning how to make foldable feathered handfan. Though there are some handfans made with feather that you cannot fold, but this one is a very simple feather handfan that you can fold and you can unfold whenever you want to use it. So it also lasts as long as you want it. So these are what you'll be needing: your hot gun, your candle wires. So instead of using your hot gun, if you don't have, you can make use of your UHU gun or B6000 or B7000. You have your feathers too. So normally this is how a feathers looks like, but making this kind of hand fan, you have to remove the feathers into strands, like you remove them one after the other. So after removing it from this lace that hold everything together, this is how it will look like. You have them in pieces one after the other. So let's get started now. So what you have to do here is you open your hand fan. The strands. This is called hand fan skeleton. So you can get it at any store where they sell maybe bridal materials or fascinator materials. So this is how you start. One after the other, you put your gum on your feather, a little, not much. Don't make it too much. Then you carefully place it on the tip or at the tip of the hand fan skeleton. So you pick another one. You make sure you set it very well. When making use of this hot gun or your hot glue, you have to be very careful. You don't have to make it too much so it does not roughen your job. You need to be careful so as to make sure that your job is extremely neat. So you can see how it is. You carefully place it on it again. And if you are making use of your UHU gum, you make do of the same process. It's also the same way. So you make sure you do it until you get to this place. Just like this. Just like this. You can see it now. You do it until you get to this end. So that's how you continue to do it. So along the line, this is how it gets to be. Along the line, it's not yet done. You can see it. Each of the skeleton strands, as I carefully place my feathers on it, you can see it. We are not yet done. We are still going. You can see. So this is the back. We're still going to fill the back, but it won't be as much as, this is the front. So I started from the front side, but when covering the back, it won't be as much as this. So let's continue. Now this is it. This is the outcome. So I already filled in most of the back. So this is how to fill in the back. You would not sorry, you won't have to make it as full as the front side. You just carefully put your gum on it, then you cover it like this. Then you look for another strand. You make sure there are some of the feathers that the stick are very thick, so you could just pick your blade and you trim it off. You trim the thick part off so it would not stop the hand fan when you are trying to fold it. So this is how you do it. then you place it on it like that. You pick another one. So now this is the final. We are done. So you can fold it. You can see the front, how it looks like. You can see the back. So you can fold your hand fan. At first it might want to, disrupt each other, so you carefully use your hand and set it properly. Set it properly. So there you go, your foldable um feather and fan. There you go. There you have it. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, this is a maiden edition of our online training, so please subscribe and like, share with your friends also. Thank you.